One day, my child, we started noticing her doing things inappropriately. When me and mother asked what was going on, my child then said somebody had touched her at school. After that, we addressed the issue. Nothing was done till months later. And when the suspect was actually apprehended, we found out that within not much time, the criminal was actually let go. And the DA, Luis Saenz, actually didn't even want to take my child's case seriously. He didn't even want to persecute the criminal for that. And since then, the criminal's been let go by Luis Saenz. He wasn't concerned about my child or any of the other 13 children that were molested and touched by a sick person. He let that sick person go to go ahead and hurt other children. I want to let the public know that Luis Saenz, he's an animal. He has no sort of search or any real knowledge of justice. He's even more crooked than the criminals that he's after. Luis Saenz has knowledge of murders that have happened, sexual abuse, and he lets all this slip through his fingers and through the fingers of justice just so he can have it for his own advantage. It's time that the public knows, and it's time that we get somebody inside the office that can actually put justice back inside the judicial system. I have a child that was actually sexually assaulted by somebody very close to her in school. And with complete knowledge of this, Mr. Luis Saenz did not want to go ahead and persecute. He didn't want to put her on the stand with my child saying that she was touched, she was molested. Luis Saenz did not want to take this criminal to justice. In fact, he let the criminal go away. And it's time that the public knows that Luis Saenz is more concerned about his own advantages than any sort of justice inside the courtroom. He knows exactly how many children, which is not just my child, but about 13 children total were molested. And Luis Saenz decided to let the criminal go. And the public needs to know